Dear students, this is a mathematics class for CBSE 8th class students. In this course, total 7 chapters are covered, comparing quantities, algebraic expression and identities, mensurations, exponents and powers, direct and inverse proportions, factorizations, and introduction to graphs. This course is available on A2LaTeX app. This app is available in Google Play Store. Download this app. Log in to this app by using your mobile number and email ID. After login, you will find various courses. Search this course, Math for Class 8. Purchase this course and start learning math concepts. For more information, you can call to this mobile number, or you can send a WhatsApp message, or you can send an email to this email ID. In this course, you are going to get chapter-wise recorded videos, chapter-wise short notes, solved exercises. Also, you are going to get chapter-wise doubt clearing sessions. The price of the course is 1000 rupees. You can purchase this course by using this link or scan this QR code and purchase the course. Also, the link for this course is given in the description box. Click the link, purchase the course and start learning math concepts. Thank you.